Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have some add-ons and some mystery bags from Fabfitfun. So, what do you think I got in add-ons? The only thing I really ever get on add-ons are Spongel. They have Spongels at different pricing. They've gone up quite a bit over the time. So I get them when I can, when they're super cheap. So let's see what I got. I got this one here. This is Patchouli Rose. So this one has a ribbon to it. It's tucked in there. It smells great. You know, it doesn't smell real strong of rose. This one to me smells a little masculine. So see, some of the, men can use these too. They do have ones for men, but these are nice. So this one is called Patchouli Rose. This was, the top notes are supposed to be lemon zest, lavender, sage, the middle apple blossom, and all this. There's a lot going on with each of them. So I'm not going to tell you everything because I'll be here all day if I do. That was $4.99 for that one, and that is an $18 value. If you go to the website, it's $18. So then they had the let's see, the Botanica. That's this one. This one's pretty because I think it's a butterfly. I think I've had this one before. Yeah, it's a butterfly shape, and this one is in rose. Now they don't smell very strongly of rose, so that's great. So this one is an $18 value, and I paid $4.99. It says that the top notes are rosehip, hibiscus, and green tea. So for that one, okay? And that one has a string as well. I don't care about the string. Some people love them. To me, I don't need it because it's a way to hang it in your shower. You can also hold it, when you're using it, So that one was $4.99. Then I got these. I have never smelled this one before. Those two I've had before. This is Violet Leaf. I should show you. Beautiful packaging. Always beautiful packaging with Spongel. The Violet Leaf it's a white flower, and it does have the string. And this one is, what does it say about it? These were $4.99 also, and they're $18 a piece. I've got two of them. And they are black peppercorn, lemon peel, and fresh ginger is the top notes. So then they have, middle notes, and I like them. Hard to describe them. Beautiful packaging, okay? Then I got three of these. These were on sale for $9.99 a piece, y'all. And these were the winter, it says winter 2023 add-on. This is a package of 3. You've got one of your strings, and then you can use it for each of these. I've gotten this, I want to say I got this last year. It says winter 2023 on it, but I think this is from winter 2022 or 2021. In your, when you are customizing, there are things called refills, and you can get Spongel refills, and I think they went up to $14.99 now. They may have always been this, so that makes them about $5 each, but these were on sale for $9.99, and there's 3 in here. But this set of scents was from a couple years ago. There is the papaya yuzu, the eucalyptus rain, and the honey blossom. The honey blossom is very mild. Nice maybe for even children if they wanted to use that. The papaya yuzu is sweeter. And then the eucalyptus rain. You can smell that eucalyptus going on. It's, again, a masculine one, I think, also. So since these were on sale for $9.99, that made each Spongel $3.33. You can get 3 of most items, so I got 3. So these are valued at $40 a box. So I paid $50 for what I just showed you, and the value is $192. I could never pay that much for Spongel. They're wonderful, I love them, but they're too expensive for me. So also in the refills, I got a couple of mystery bundles, and these mystery bundles are not as big as the full-size mystery bundles that are, what are the full-size, are they $39 now? These are $19.99 each, and you get 3 items, and they're supposed to be valued, I think at $60 or $70, and then it says every so often someone might get something more valuable, which I did last time. So this one, I'm going to show you real fast here. I'm going to try to show you these fast. I think sometimes they're just too, I don't know. This is a yoga mat. This is a very nice yoga mat. But am I going to use it? No, I don't do yoga. It's very, very nice. But I do know somebody that loves yoga, so hopefully they will enjoy getting this as a gift. So I will look up the prices when I'm done opening these, okay? This also came with this from the brand Invisibobble. It's called an Everclaw. It's very pretty. I love the tortoise shell look to it. And see, it opens up and it grabs your hair. It's very beautiful. Invisibobbles, they're not cheap. And then the third item in here is Tula. I love Tula. Tula Skincare. This is Take Care and Polish. Revitalize and Cleanse Body Exfoliator. So that's what this is. A body exfoliator. Look at how nice big that is. This is 8.1 ounces, so it's for your body. And I can see through the light. It is filled to the brim. Tula is an excellent skincare product, or brand. So that is nice to get. And I'll come back after I open this other one, okay? I'll see if I can find pricing. And then this other one, this is it. And let me cut the string down here so we can get it open. And there are 3 items in here as well. And, you know, I'm just noticing that it does have, that first one, sometimes these tags mean something and sometimes they don't. It says 2304 Mystery 001. So if you get one mystery, you might have got what I just showed you. If you get more than one, I don't know. This one is the same thing, but it's 004, okay? So in this one, we have, this is a good brand, Sensuals. This is the facial serum clarifying, 100% natural. It's a serum. Sensuals is a great brand. I'm thinking that it has a scent to it, but I'm not going to open it. It's a dropper bottle. It's a nice dark bottle, which is good. Keep it fresh. It smells sort of like essential oils. If that's what I'm smelling, I think it is. So that is a serum. And then we got Earth Harbor, excellent product line. This one I haven't had before. This is Beach Waves Ocean Hair Texturizer. Interesting. Let's see what that looks like. Their bottles are always gorgeous. This is a spray bottle. So it's just clear, nice glass bottle, and it's a spritz. So I may try that, y'all. I don't know. We will see. We will see. And then Camille. Then there is this. It's Summer and Rose. I do like the Summer and Rose brand. This looks like a travel type of a cosmetic kind of a thing. Let's see what it says. So this is it. Camille, sit down. She has to sit on everything. It is Summer and Rose brand. This is very beautiful. It is a travel case. Let's see. It snaps open here. It has a hanger here. It's very nicely packed with tissue. So look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So this is for jewelry, for traveling with your jewelry. You can hang necklaces here and tuck them in here. You can put rings, earrings, whatever, something long in here. You have these 2 deep pockets here. That's beautiful. And then on the outside, let me, you fold that back, snap it together, and there's a pocket on the outside. First of all, isn't it beautiful, y'all? I'll tell you, this is very pretty. I like this. Beautiful print. And on the back, there is a zippered compartment. Let's see what that looks like. And this looks like it's for pierced earrings. So this is like a felt, a sturdy felt, and then see how there's holes in there? You can put your earrings through there so you don't lose them. And then to hold them in place, it snaps back in. Very beautiful. I think this is really pretty. So I'll be back with values. Apparently, if you have a yoga mat, you want this one. It's GAIAM brand, $45. And the Chula is $34. And the Claw is $8. So $87 for the first bag. And then the gorgeous jewelry holder, I love that, $35 value. The Sensuals is $38. And the Earth Harbor Beach Waves is only $12. So $85 for the second bag. And this Sensuals clarifying, anytime something says clarifying, I looked into this. This is for people with acne, and it's to help clear your skin. So, but $85 and $87, I paid $19.99 for each of these bags. So I have some nice items for gifts or for myself. I may use this myself. It's beautiful. So thank you all for stopping by and seeing what I got in my mystery bundles and in my add-ons from Fab Fit Fun, the wonderful Fab Fit Fun. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.